Welcome back to Boom Languages Devlog 6. I've decided to re-implement the Boom Languages client using React Native to kick this project off again. The old client was written in Google's Flutter framework, which uses Dart as its programming language. Why am I making this change? Number 1, flexibility. Number 2, ease of use. Number 3, I like JavaScript better than Dart, though I did learn a lot from it. Thank you, Dart. Number 4, I think React Native looks better by default. Number 5, the web version has elements by default instead of being a glass pane or whatever it's called. Number 6, I don't like using Android Studio as my main development environment. I prefer VS Code. How am I going to go about this? Let's check out routes.rb on the server side. I would like to implement all of these, if possible, in React Native. It should be somewhat straightforward since the client is just sending requests to the server. Figuring out how to store tokens securely may end up being the hardest part, like it was in Flutter. Luckily, I found an answer on Stack Overflow that may help. I'm skipping admin API endpoints. The app has pivoted heavily from my initial vision of it. I don't see myself needing anyone else to help with server administration for a good while, so re-implementing those views is probably not worth it. For that matter, re-implementing quizzes is barely worth it. We'll see how far along I get. Eventually, I want to add OAuth 2 to enable login with Google and Facebook and other platforms. But first, I need something written in React Native that works as well as the old Flutter app did. We're quite a ways away from that. I just wrote up 23 issues, one for each endpoint or group of endpoints in the routes file, and put them in a GitLab milestone. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for checking in. Feel free to subscribe to PageKeytech if you liked the video.